Hello, this is Bartosz and I would like to show you some of functionalities of this Excel spreadsheet. That you can count the worker hours over time and overall each hour, each day he or she worked. So basically in this spreadsheet there are in the Excel file there are spreadsheets that contains names of the month and the year, as you can see at the bottom. Just to remind you, first 10 people can have this spreadsheet for free. You need to go to the Download. Everything is in my description of the movie. So the links are below the movie in the descriptions. Remember, you can download it for free if you are one of the first 10 people. So what I would like to show you today is cleaning the data. Like you see, there is December, we are on December 2025, and we have some field cells which counts the total number of hours, as you can see at the bottom. If you wish to clean everything, we don't need to clean each by hand, but we can just click clean data. It will ask us. If you push no, it won't do any action. Again, if we click clean this, and it will ask us again, and we click yes. So everything is cleared now, and you can save this by Ctrl S, for example, or in the file, or by autosave. I have saved this, and yeah, this is something that I wanted to show you. Next time I will show how to add hours, time overall in each of the cells and how it calculates. Thank you, have a nice day, and remember, you can download it for free if you are first of the 10 people. The link is in the description of the movie. Thank you.